find the hidden animals? Can you find the hidden animal? Cat. Can you find the hidden animal? Cow. Can you find the hidden animal? Horse. Can you find the hidden animal? Lion. Can you find the hidden animal? Giraffe. Can you find the hidden animal? Tiger. Can you find the hidden animal? Pig. Can you find the hidden animal? Dog. Can you find the hidden animal? Monkey. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Guess the animal by its sound. Can you guess this animal? It's a lion. Can you guess this animal? It's a tiger. Can you guess this animal? It's a cat. Can you guess this animal? It's a giraffe. Can you guess this animal? It's a dog. Can you guess this animal? It's an elephant. Can you guess this animal? It's a cow. Can you guess this animal? It's a horse. Can you guess this animal? It's a zebra. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Guess the animal by its shape. Can you guess this animal? Lion. Can you guess this animal? Dog. Can you guess this animal? Tiger. Can you guess this animal? Cat. Can you guess this animal? Monkey. Can you guess this animal? Cow. Can you guess this animal? Zebra. Can you guess this animal? Donkey. Can you guess this animal? Bear. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Let's learn some zoo animals. Which animal is this? Tiger. Which animal is this?
Monkey.
Which animal is this?
Bear.
Which animal is this?
Deer.
Which animal is this?
Lion.
Which animal is this?
Elephant.
Which animal is this?
Rabbit.
Which animal is this?
Fox. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel.